Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top New Collection Optic Toolkit Reviews 2025. Number 4. The 19 PCs set FTTH fiber optic toolkit includes the AUA or 6S precision fiber cleaver, optical power meters, -70-10 dBm to -50-26 dBm, and a 10 mW visual fault locator. Designed for fiber optic installation and maintenance, it offers all essential tools for accurate cutting, testing, and troubleshooting. Number 3. The Optical FTTH fiber optic toolkit includes a precision fiber cleaver and the AUA's M53 in a 1 mini optical power meter, -50-26 dBm. It also features a 10 mW visual fault locator, making it perfect for fiber optic installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting in FTTH projects. Number 2. Product sell points: Fiber Optic Toolkit Optical Power Meter, professional grade with -70-10 dBm range, 7 wavelengths, and backlight display for precise measurements, fiber optic cutter, anti-breakage design, tungsten steel blade, and automatic rebound mechanism for safe, precise cutting. Number 1. The Optical Fiber Identifier FI20V, equivalent to OFI40V, detects wavelengths from 800 to 1700 nanometers, identifying live fiber signals and their direction without disconnecting cables. It features a built-in VFL with a 5 to 8 km range and LED light, making it ideal for telecom maintenance and troubleshooting fiber networks. Number 1. Thanks for watching.